populations are twice the size of the US's total AI population. Here is a map of China with different research organizations with AI output. The bottom line is this: Americans need to wake up. It is not certain that the US will reach superintelligence first. China might get there first, and if they do, we are all screwed. They could use their advantage to enslave all Americans and make them subjects of the Chinese Communist Party. If you think I'm exaggerating, take a look at this. This month, China launched its first humanoid robot soccer league in Beijing. The robot's actions are being controlled by AI. I have to be honest. I have seen kids' soccer games where the human kids play worse than this. I think we might be doomed. Also this month in China, a humanoid robot graduated from high school. The robots are graduating from high school. Earlier this year, China introduced robot dancers. These are some pretty impressive dance moves. Out of all of these examples, I do not see any of this happening in the United States. There is a very real possibility that communist China will reach superintelligence before the United States in 2027. People do not realize what is at stake. If we go back to my World War II example, what would have happened in history if the Nazis got the atomic bomb first? We need to be speeding up. This week, Donald Trump held a press conference in Pennsylvania where he announced an investment of more than $90 billion from private companies into AI. This is a good start, but it is not enough. I feel like Trump is not taking this seriously. He should be doing the same thing we did during World War II. The US created the Manhattan Project to build the atomic bomb. We took all the smartest minds in the country and relocated them to a military camp in the middle of the desert in New Mexico. They stayed there until they created the atomic bomb. Why isn't President Trump doing the same thing? He should take Elon Musk and all of the heads of these AI companies, stick them in a camp in the middle of the desert, don't let them talk to anyone, and they should just work until the US AI reaches super intelligence. There is